Join me today and welcome to the beautiful Casement Windows. I'll share with you one of our top luxury listings. Hello, Sarah Breitlander here. I am the owner of Krain Luxury Real Estate located in the Guanacaste region of Costa Rica. And today I'm so excited to take you on this video tour of our latest exclusive listing. Has not hit the market yet. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, standalone home on a double lot with its own private pool. Where are we? We are in Flamingo. Flamingo, Costa Rica is a highly coveted beach town. It's home of the new Flamingo Marina, which if you watch my videos, I'm sure you've heard all about because the community is really, really excited. Particularly, we are in the Mar Vista community of Flamingo. We love Mar Vista. I have so many clients who happily have lived here and invested here. Mar Vista is comprised of 4 communities, and we are in the Dos Rios community. So it's about 900 square acres in total. 450 of that is currently being developed as Mar Vista, and it's this bowl that looks right into the ocean. So you have incredible ocean views from this development. From Mar Vista, you also have a fitness gym, yoga pavilion, tennis courts, clay tennis courts, and most importantly, an amazing ocean view clubhouse with an infinity edge pool and the home of the Gracia restaurant, which is one of my favorite restaurants in the area. So excited to have this home, and it's going to be unique. You're going to see in many ways. So let's get started, and welcome to Chozabella. So first, I just want to show you how beautiful you will see that the homeowner has a green thumb, but everything is set up for you to enjoy because it's all on a watering system, an irrigation system. So it's here for you to enjoy and hassle-free. So come on inside. Guys, look at this. How beautiful. You just walk in and you are met with this wide open space with vaulted ceilings and these sliding glass doors that open, and all you see is beautiful garden, which is one of the reasons I love this home. This is rare to see this. So you'll see the living room just opens up here. This is an 8-person dining room table. This is one huge slab of Guanacaste wood, which is very highly coveted and just beautiful, the grains. So I love this dining room table. Here's the kitchen area. Again, all open. You can entertain from this kitchen area, from this island here, for all of your guests. And while you're preparing dinner, you can look at the amazing garden, which I think is just beautiful. Lounge by the pool. I really like the two-tone. I think it sets it apart. As you can see, there's plenty. I mean, ample storage. You will not need for storage in this home, which is great. I also like that they have the stool bars here, which is really, really nice. Just everything you need is right here. High-end cabinetry throughout. One of my favorite parts. Number 1, these sliding glass doors. Many homes in Mar Vista, of course, have sliding glass doors, but they're 24-foot sliding glass doors, but most of them only open up at 16 feet. Why? Because there's room here. These are pocket doors, so they open all the way up. And look at this added space for you to live. It's covered. You're going to enjoy this rain or shine. There are also screens if you want to just let the breezes blow through. But I mean, guys, this is where you're going to do your living. I just love it here. Multiple lounge areas throughout this home. Look at this pool. I love this. This is an outdoor dining bar area. You can enjoy your cocktails, snacks right here in the pool. I just love this. Look at this garden. Isn't this amazing? These are potted desert rose plants here, and they just bloom. They've planted it so every time of the year there's certain type of flower blooming. So you'll never be bloomless here in the Mar Vista community, which I love. And that's very rare for this home. Also, look how private it is, right? So, obviously we're in a development. There are homes surrounding you, but you would never know it because it's so nice and private and secluded. You just don't have that privacy concern with this house, which I love. Also, another thing I like about the pool is it's multi-leveled. So you can enjoy this just for lounging, very, very shallow, or you can swim in the deeper waters. Another thing that was very important to the builder of this home, in addition to the privacy from your neighbors, was privacy from your guests. So here we have the principal bedroom. And it's going to be on a completely different side of the house, as you're going to see, than the other bedrooms. Before I show you the principal bedroom, I do want to show you, this is all private space that right now is not really being utilized, but you could put a bistro table and chairs, whatever you wanted to do, because this is off of your principal bedroom and still have all the beautiful gardens surrounding you. Okay, here we are in the principal bedroom. I want you guys to get a good look at this. Remember, this is a pre-market video. I think this listing will hit the market in about 3 to 4 days, and I want you as our viewers to see it first. So here's the principal bedroom. Again, you have really nice coffered ceilings, and then the closets are in the back. Really nice open space here. Here is the ensuite bath, nice and large, dual vanity. Really love the finishes in the shower. Really nice touch. I love the attention to detail in the home. Look at the height of the doors. You know, there are so many things that I love as a realtor that they've done here that other homes just don't have. Here's your powder room. So this will be the room that your guest will use here when they come over to visit. Back here we have a laundry room, side-by-side washer dryer, plenty of space in the laundry room. And here we are, we're heading back out to this great open space. Really, really lovely. Tons of space here. Also want to point out, I don't see this in every home. I think it's the only home in the Dos Rios community that has these casement windows. So they crank out, and they're located all along this wall. What does that mean? It means you get great cross breezes, and the breezes here are always blowing. So that's another thing that's unique to this home, and I really, really love it. Right now there's not one AC on, and it's really nice and fresh. Okay, this is the West Wing. So they really created this home to have privacy from your guest or from your family so that you're not on top of each other, and I really like that. Here is, they made this a little office area. Love it. You know, you could just, so many people are working from home here. This is your office area to just look outside to the gardens. Here's the second bedroom. Nice and large king bed again. Love these headboards. You'll see this Costa Rican hardwood theme throughout. Really nice touch and attention to detail. Another thing I love about these layouts is every bedroom has sliding glass doors that goes out to the courtyard pool area, which is really nice. Here is the second full bathroom. Really nice. And finally, here's the third bedroom. Again, really nice headboard, all king beds, which is really nice as a rental or just to enjoy. Most of our guests really like king beds in every room here. Then you just walk back out to this amazing green space. I want to point out, we won't take you in on the video, but there is a garage here, which is really nice for all your toys, and a grill area. You could even make a really nice outdoor kitchen here if you wanted, which I think would be great because this space is just amazing and calls for it. Now I want to show you what, in my opinion, is kind of the showstopper and makes this home completely unique. So I'll meet you there. Okay, here we are. This is what truly makes this home unique, in my opinion. This is the only home we know of in Dos Rios community where it's one home on 2 lots. There's so much you can do with this. And the best part about it, all this space and ocean views, my friend. How rare is this? You can do so much with this. You can build a casita out here. You can use this as a rental casita. Why? Because we have 2 road entries here. So you have another road access right here. I mean, the possibilities are endless. You could put a rancho out here to enjoy the sunsets in the evening, which I think would be incredible. You can fence this in for your animals. You can build another home here. And like I said, rent it out for income that's totally, completely private from the main house. And I want to show you where that is. You remember I showed you the principal bedroom and that deck area out in front of it? It's right there. So really, really nice and private, this space. Look at this, ocean views. You have beautiful Malinche trees that are blooming in the red color right now. And then in the distance, the amazing ocean. The sun will drop right in certain times of the year, right into the water. Really special place that comes included with the sale of this home. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour today. Remember, if you like these listings as they're coming out and you want to be the first to know, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button. That way you're going to know immediately when these homes hit the market. Thank you so much for watching. Please reach out to a Krain agent today. We would love to be your real estate agents here in Costa Rica. Thank you very much and pura vida. Share with you one of our top luxury listings.